In this tutorial, we will filter a list of active calls in the active session so that only the test call from an administrator with a specific caller number is visible. Switch to monitor mode and navigate to active sessions. Place a test call and keep it active. In our example, we will filter out the test call from one other active call. In practice, this filter is more useful when managing many active calls. Click on Filter. In the number field, you have various options to simplify input. For example, you can define the beginning of a number sequence instead of entering the entire number. Enter the caller number of the test call in the number field. Click Apply to filter the calls. Now, only the desired test call will be displayed in the list of active calls. Click Clear to remove the filter and view all active calls again. Congratulations, you have completed the active session filter tutorial.